This week's episode is brought to you by 1UP Collectibles, where you can get a mail order subscription to have all your favorite comics sent right to your house and save up to 30% off back issues. 1UPcollectibles.com. What's up, Internet? This is Brown Kid from Albotas.com, and this is my review of Angela, Asgard's Assassin, #1. Written by Kieron Gillen, with art from Phil Jimenez. This is the story of Angela. She's gotten her first book. She made her appearance in the Marvel Universe a little bit ago. Some old school comic book readers might know her from the Spawn comics from Image, where she originally came from, but after some sort of legal battles with her creator, she's now in the hands of Marvel. And what did they do with her? Well, they made her Thor and Loki's forgotten about sister. This cover, this gets my vote for best comic book cover of 2014. It is amazing. I love it so much. The art in this book is ridiculous, and I think a lot of it comes from the coloring. If it would have been colored in a different way or different style, it wouldn't have been anywhere near as great as it is in here. Not to discredit the line work, but the line work is really, really good, but the coloring just gives it this extra depth and dimension. It really gives you that fantasy feeling, which is cool. Story-wise, it seems like a lot of exposition. You have this other character who's like the polar opposite of Angela, whereas she's this tall, slinky goddess of a woman, white female. We get this non-white, non-typical bodied counterpart that's sort of, I don't know, friend, ally, and she's kind of telling another character who Angela is as she does things, but you really get the sense that she's talking more to the reader than she is this character. You do get to see her kick a fair amount of ass, which is awesome. I really like the way the book ends. I don't want to give too much away, but for all intents and purposes, it wasn't the greatest story. I really wanted a lot more, but it is exciting to see a new comic from Marvel, a new character, new female character, and more of a fantasy setting than a superhero thing. So I'm definitely looking forward to issue #2. Those are my thoughts on Angela, Asgard's Assassin #1. Argue with me in the comments. Let me know what you're reading. Maybe I'll review it on a future video. For more comic books, video games, and assorted geekiness, head on over to Albotas.com, where you can find cool stuff and things and stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.